So from the very beginning, our idea was to involve more and more development teams to do Mendix. Therefore, we started with App Factory and we built our own COE. The mandate for the COE is to train other teams, be their advisory, help them with the solution architecture, UI, UX, you name it, and partner with them to ensure their projects are successful and they learn and they are excited to do more and more applications using the technology. My name is Rubinder and I work for USI Global as a head of corporate applications. As we embarked on the first project, we started thinking about governance because our ambition is to have more and more teams work with us, and we definitely don't want to lose control. We have a portal that has all the user guides and the procedures and policies. And we partner with other teams' projects based on the complexity, and our engagement with them based on the complexity will vary so that we are able to train them and also ensure that the governance is followed.
Hi, my name is Elma Zhang and I'm the delivery manager of the digital application team at USI. So the first thing is that we try to build our Mendix knowledge base. That we have the name for that platform is about Mendix governance and the development standard platform. That we share some our knowledges, of course, and we share the Mendix academic online sessions to the team. We have a page for how to learn Mendix. So we provide some useful links or our internal document for the first beginner. But of course, we have some document for the intermediate developers. They want to learn more. They want to know how to use those principal components. So basically, we have the platform as our knowledge base to let them learn by themselves first. When we start to learn the Mendix, there are other teams, include IT team or non-IT team. My first suggestions always ask them, okay, go to check the Mendix Academy, have the first lesson first. Then you can feel and you can touch what is Mendix. Like if you are a new leader for the Mendix team, you have to know your vision and goal. Why do you use Mendix? It's not forcing your team member to learn a new skills. You have to think about, okay, maybe you have to change your mindset because you are from the waterfall project management methodology to agile methodology. There's a totally different things.
For other organizations which are like us, who are doing high code and monolithic apps and deploying, be it centrally or distributed, to utilize App Factory. It's a very good program that we really benefited because it's a culmination of various knowledge areas that you learn as a team, and it makes you stronger to do the deployment when you are on your own. The second advice I would say is pick up a project that is complex enough, but it's not too large. That can help you leverage enough capabilities, tips and tricks of Mendix so that you learn along the way. Another advice that I'll give other customers would be to build the A team, right? And empower them, provide them resources and step out of the way so that they can function independently. It's extremely important for the success of the project and success of the journey of low-code using Mendix.